The youngest Igbo. Anam Nobi, the vice president of Igbo, also the president of Obi-Wan Social Club, also the national patron of Ndimo State, Nobodawa, Senegal, mayor in the Big 12, Chief Luke Omunna Opera, Onyerikanne Ogwefi Onyerikanne Onobe Nobahezorodo, CEO Onyerikanne Global Enterprises, Papa Juma 1 and 2. Sinoya Ballet, I welcome you and we recognize your presence. When you nekwego, you become mutagma like quite. No to account cannot be Chief Richard Opara Ogwefi Omezi Benkizis in Senegal. Ogwefi Riri ni Sochi, Iboro Munaga, Iboro Mada, Ibola Rotradi, Iboro Youth. Elen in Nebubere in Sochi. There's a treasure on Igbo near do no to account, no one can last. Imagine not on the camera and get with you.
I want to officially thank Ezendi Igbo Guinea that made this video to reach me, and he has promised that he will take Ndinze Ezendi Igbo in diaspora West African people to meet incoming aspiring or Ezendi Igbo president Barisuche Ichie Ezendi Igbo Guinea Udode. Thank you very much for all you are doing. Thank you for always keeping in touch with me. I want to use this opportunity to thank every Igbo leaders in everywhere they are, mostly in diaspora, who are also contributing back home and trying to keep our culture even far away in other countries. The aim is to unify all Igbo speaking people, whether they're in Equatorial Guinea, whether in Haiti, Cuba, or even they are just Igbo people carrying our passport and become a citizen of other countries. The aim is for Igbo nation to become one and speak with one voice, and then invest back home here in Igbo land. So that is the aim, and I thank you all for always doing that. But we want to increase the revolution, we want to increase the awareness, we want to see more actions that speak louder than voice. I want to use this opportunity to tell every Anyoma person in diaspora, because this is Igbos in Senegal meeting and other Igbos from other country when they are too. So you are in Senegal, you are in Mali, you are in Ghana, you are in Burkina Faso, you are in Cote d'Ivoire, all these West African countries. You are in Guinea, and you are an Anyoma son or daughter. You understand me? And you are still not joining Igbo meeting. And even if you are Igbo from Benue, Kogi, Bayelsa, you are from Akwa Ibom, Cross River, River State, but you are still carrying this mentality, I'm not Igbo, you are not joining Igbo community. You are doing yourself a disservice. You are not helping yourself. You are removing yourself from what will make you grow financially. Instead of you to be joining cults, mostly the young ones, joining society where you be fighting in the club and breaking your head because of color of barret. Like some people are even threatening me on my videos based on what I'm wearing. I'm an old boy in Boys Brigade. This is my barret. Don't threaten me. I'm a full BB boy. Boys Brigade of Nigeria, 50 Enugu company. So I represent full time. But instead of you to be in a place where your life will be threatened, why not join the Igbo Association in Yotago, where you will fly your red cap or white cap without no fear, and yet you deal with men where they make things happen. Because even if there's no need why you want to join the association of Ezendi Igbo or Igbo Association anywhere, join it because of money. Look at the men, caliber of men are in that meeting. You know, these men, Baka Diego, There are men that will connect you to make money. So join it because only Igbo cable. We like money where we join the association because of money. If that is the only reason, join. That's how it happen. Not be say every time you will join society where your life is being threatened, or you join the one where they will be telling you to bring your father or your mother. Yes, now. What am I trying to say? So that you won't come back home and be saying with empty hand that winch. No winch in Nigeria is care for you. There's no winch pursuing you in Nigeria. As I'm talking to you, pain, hunger, hold every winch in Nigeria. You know, I said it before, there's no winch anywhere, but people know they believe it. See it now. 1 year plus now, we are in this suffering. There are more than 60,000 villages in Nigeria. And if we believe witches are in every village, then we are talking about more than 60,000 witches. At least one witches in every village. But as we are saying so, because of one-man policy, hunger, insecurity, no light, bad road, are holding more than 60,000 witches. They cannot even buy ordinary driver of Tinubu, and you are claiming there is a witch in your village. They don't send you. Hunger na your mate. They don't send you. If you come back home empty-handed, ignorant kept you poor. Because the Bible say people perish for lack of knowledge. Yes, now you are perishing because you don't get sense. You are there, bugayin. I'm not Igbo. I won't join that. Join the association. Let them connect you. Let them increase your capacity. Let them show you more way to earn more legitimate. These are caliber men who represent, and they're not hiding their face. This is what we are talking about. And then I want to use the opportunity to tell you people to also remember back home. An empty house calls for rats to stay. Any house where rats plenty is because it's empty. If you say there's insecurity in the southeast or in Igbo, that is why you are not bringing investment back home. It's because we are running away. I didn't say you should not go out to make money, but invest back home. Once our youth are engaged in legitimate wealth creation, they won't have the ability to be thinking of crime. That is the truth. I want us in the next 5 years to have this industrial revolution. I'm an ambassador of an estate. And people will say, is it estate you are selling? No, we're not talking of estate now. We're talking of investment. There are 3 car companies now in Igbo, which is good, a good move. But we need more. Hospitality, we're not talking about only hotels. We're talking of building a good hospital. 21st century, that's where we are bringing electric cars. We can bring hospitals, standard. You can invest in it. We have children who are graduating from UNN, from FUTO, that are standard doctors and nurses. Every day they are leaving the country, going to UK. Build a good hospital, employ them the same way the automobile industry is employing them. We don't wait until we have Biafra, we'll start developing. We don't need to have seaport and we'll start developing. If we start developing, let people say it's go to the Igbo, go to the east and see what is happening. These guys are building without government input, without our state government doing anything. Individually, people are investing and building. The seaport will come naturally. That's what we're talking about. So I'm just using the opportunity to call Umu Igbo, the same Belugokwe. When you are coming back home, please come to invest. Come with intention to leave something behind. Don't come to be looking for women to find. Women, Igbo hada agwago. The beautiful ones are not yet born. But if you invest, you have more money for free auto. Yes, and I am not gonna go on with this place. Ndi game picky are too much. Money will go get lateral to now. Man for the gochi will go invest ya. Make and the mother with all. May the Lord grant all of us the best in the year 2024. I'm out of here.